Okay, let's continue with data models, and I want to start with some specific data model that will be used by almost all our objects, I think. It let us to see and to use two fields for every model, the created field and updated field. It is useful if you need to check when some database row was updated for some model, and we can set up abstract table or data model mixin that will attach to required tables. So I create the data model the same way as I do for the same way as I did for the general normal data model, for example, as we have for the cruise line right here. It is extended from the Django model, and I prepare two date time fields, created and updated. For the created, I use time zone now function that will be initialized on the model creation, and updated field will be initialized on every saving of the model. And here I describe that this mixin is abstract, so Django will not create own table space for this model. This mixin will be used with other extension for other data models. You can see also two description of the editable false for the created and updated. It relates to a Django admin panel, so nobody will be able to edit created and updated fields manually in the Django admin. So let's extend our cruise line from the audit mixin. Now our cruise line will have two more fields, created and updated, that will appear in the database and in the admin panel as soon as we will create a migration for this. And one more point. So I created one more Django application inside our project with name core. This is one of the common way to have some models, views or functions shared between other project applications. So as soon as audit mixin will be used by different applications, I put it into the core models. Also, core models is core application is included into the settings here, into the install tabs. Okay, let's ask Django to make migrations for these new changes. It is listed what was added, the new field created, the new field updated, and then apply this migration. Okay, I see a mistake in my code, so let's initialize the default for the updated also with the current timestamp. And as soon as this change is already in the migration of the cruise line. I have to update the initialization of the default here. Pretty similar as it is done in the Django model itself. So now it should work. Complete. And let's see how it looks in the Django admin panel. You see no differences. This is why. This is because we have now these two fields attached to the admin panel. So let's do this. There is a field for the admin class with name list display that can enumerate what we want visible in the administration panel. So we want name, we want created and updated. Let's check. Okay, it doesn't work. What I forgot to do.